Motorcycle tire balancing mode. First, remove the thread shaft of the wheel balancer and mount the motorcycle clamp for the CB956 wheel balancer on the main shaft of the wheel balancer. Remove the original measure head on the scale handle and mount the extended scale for motorcycle measurement. Use the motorcycle clamp to mount the motorcycle tire onto the wheel balancer main shaft and use the automatic measure scale to measure. And the value of DIS and DIA will be automatically input into the window. And use the BR measure scale to measure the width of the tire. And the value of BR will be manually input into the BR window according to the ratio of motorcycle rim dimension to the width. Select the corresponding dynamic and static balancing mode. Generally speaking, when the ratio of dimension to width is more than 5, operate motorcycle tire static balancing mode, and if less than 5, operate the motorcycle tire dynamic balancing mode.